I had a few more bits of trim to remove from the rear hatch of the Daihatsu Charade. It seems that everything down the back is attached by adhesives of one sort or another. I'm going to clean up the rear window surround of the Daihatsu Charade today, clean up these bits of rust, and have another think about whether I want to weld or just use filler on them. I started using the wire wheel on the angle grinder to clear off the worst of the rust from each of the little areas that I'm going to have to treat or repair. There's also this hole around the rear wiper where rust is obviously spread from trapped water. Some of the rust has gone all the way through, so I am going to do a couple of weld repairs. And to start, I'm just going to weld over these couple of little holes. So it's just using short blasts of the welder to bridge these holes. I then grind them back later. The plastic masking isn't really a good idea with this welding going on, but I hadn't expected to be doing this. I thought I had all the welding done. So I just cut a slot for the repair piece to go in, and then that released these bits that I could bend back and then do a little cut to give me a straight edge for the section I want to slot in. This is just due to not being able to get the grinder in directly towards that angle, so this way I could just slice them off. Cleaned up a few more bits that were now exposed with the wire wheel. Doing a little bit on the back as well with the hatch open. I sprayed the areas that are going to be covered with weld through primer. And this is the piece I'm going to cut my repairs from, and I have that primed on one side as well. Roughly measuring that to fit and trimming it to slot in. I clamp that in place with a grip. The one in the corner is a little bit more complex, so I marked that out with the pen. I was lucky that the rust hadn't spread too far and I didn't have to do a fold in these. The weld would be enough to bridge the little gap, making this a simple enough repair. But I'm glad I went for metal and not just a bucket of filler. Welding those into place and then trimming back the welds using a flat disc on the grinder. I spent a good bit of time making this tidy. Then I used a flat grinding disc just to trim up the last few bits. I'll come back to this with a little bit of filler later to tidy it up, but the metal gives it structure.